Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X70 and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages you should have a screen recording toggle, assuming this device has one. And we have it right here on the third page. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this overlay letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded on a drop down. So you have two options, or three, device, microphone, or both. And obviously if you don't want to record any audio, just keep that off. And then second one is the show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever my finger was pressing the display. I'll enable it just so you can see how that looks like. So let's see, there we go. Should start recording once you press on it, and from here whatever you'll do obviously will be recorded by the device. So if you open up some kind of applications, for the most part they should be recorded. Anyway, I'm gonna try to close this. Hello. Seriously? Okay, there we go. So anyway, once you are done recording, you can tap right here on this overlay. This will automatically stop the recording and save it. And from here you can find that screen recording in your Photos application under I guess it's right here under movies. I was looking for the albums or whatever, but it's just kind of smack in the middle right here, so you have to look at for a specific album through the photos. So you can see right here it's labeled as movies, and if you tap on the text itself it actually opens up the album. So from here you can tap on your recording and view it. Now I do want to point out one thing. Screen recorder might not be able to record everything, so in certain scenarios, like for instance Netflix has the ability to block your screen recorder, and once you try to record it, all you will get is just a black screen. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.